In this video, we are going to clear our concept about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. What is prokaryotic cells and what is eukaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cells are those type of cell which do not contain intracellular compartment, meaning thereby prokaryotic cell do not have mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, well organized nucleus, and other cell organelles. Cell organelles are intracellular compartment which are bounded by a membrane. That is the membranous structure found inside the cell is known as cell organelles. In prokaryotic cells, there is no cell organelles, meaning thereby there is no nucleus, there is no mitochondria, there is no Golgi apparatus in the case of prokaryotic cell. But in the case of eukaryotic cell, all these cell organelles are essentially present. So, what is prokaryotic cell? Cell without membrane bound cell organelle is known as prokaryotic cell, and cell with membrane bound cell organelles is known as prokaryotic cells. Once again, what is prokaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cells are those type of cells or all those type of cells which do not contain intracellular membrane bounded cell organelle system, and eukaryotic cells are those type of cells which do contain intracellular membrane bound cell organelle system, meaning thereby cell organelles or cellular subcellular compartments or intracellular cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cells. So, on the basis of prokaryotes and eukaryotic cellular organization, there are two types of organisms. One is prokaryotic organism and second type is eukaryotic organism. All prokaryotes, all bacteria are prokaryotes. All bacteria are prokaryotes because bacteria do not contain mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear membrane or nucleus, lysosome, plastids, meaning thereby all bacterial cells perform their metabolic and physiological activities without having these all cell organelle system. But in the case of eukaryotic cell, these all membrane bound cell organelles are present and there is the division of labor inside a cell. So, eukaryotic cells are much more complex than prokaryotic cells. You can see here in this slide, this is the animal cell which contain several intracellular organelle system. Several intracellular membrane-bounded organelle. Nucleus is present. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is here in the case of animal cell. Mitochondria, centrosome, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, and several other cellular organelles and cellular entities are present in the case of eukaryotic cell, that is the animal cell or plant cell, which will be discussed in our coming lecture time to time. Now, next slide explain the intracellular compartment system of plant cell. There is some or certain differences between animal and plant cells. Some cell organelles are common both in plant and animal cells, and there are certain differences. As for example, plastid is present in the case of plant cell, but there is no plastid and there is no cell wall in the case of animal cell. Here, this slide represent a prokaryotic cell. Bacteria is a prokaryotic cell, and this bacterial cell do not contain intracellular organelle system. There is no mitochondria, no nuclear membrane, no Golgi body, no other cellular compartment, subcellular compartment, intracellular organelle system as found in both plant and animal cells, because plant and animal cells are composed of eukaryotic type of cells. So, this lecture is about to clear our concept regarding prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. In the next lecture, we will discuss about each and every components of cells in much more detail to provide better understanding about cytology and cell biology, and those students who are preparing for different medical entrance examination and other higher competitive examination like JNU entrance examination for biotechnology, life sciences, microbiology, or any other competition like UPSC, BPSC, can subscribe my channel for new video notification. So thank you so much for watching this video.